Are you worried about chemicals leaching into your food from Teflon-coated rice cookers? You're not alone. Thousands are ditching non-stick coatings for safer alternatives. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best non-Teflon rice cookers that'll give you perfectly cooked rice without the health risks. Make sure to check all the product links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Aroma Professional Purple Clay Rice Cooker, and honestly, this thing is like cooking with ancient wisdom meets modern convenience. You're getting an authentic, unglazed purple clay pot that's been used in traditional Asian cooking for centuries. This 12-cup capacity cooker features completely chemical-free construction. No PFOA, no PTFE, nothing artificial touching your food. The porous clay material has incredible heat circulation and retention properties, which means your rice cooks faster and more evenly than you'd expect from a traditional pot. What really caught my attention during research was how the alkaline clay releases natural minerals into your food. Users report that rice and dishes actually taste better with each use as the pot seasons over time. You've got 7 smart cooking settings, including rice, grain, soup, porridge, and even a slow cook function. Here's what you should know though. Clay pots require a bit more care than stainless steel options. You can't just toss this in the dishwasher, and there's a slight learning curve with the initial seasoning process. Some users mention the clay pot can be a bit heavy when full. But honestly, if you want the most natural cooking experience possible and don't mind a little extra maintenance, this is an incredible option. You're paying around $60 to $70 for a cooking vessel that'll literally get better with age and add nutritional value to every meal. At number 4, the Aroma Housewares Select Stainless brings pure simplicity to the non-Teflon game. This compact cooker features a complete food-grade 304 stainless steel inner pot with absolutely zero coating, which is exactly what health-conscious buyers are searching for. The 6-cup cooked capacity makes it perfect for couples or small families. You're getting true one-touch operation here. Just add rice and water, press the button, and the smart sensor automatically detects when your rice is perfectly cooked, then switches to keep warm mode without you lifting a finger. What impressed me most was the versatility packed into this compact design. Beyond rice, users rave about making fluffy omelets, hearty soups, creamy oatmeal, and even pasta. The stainless steel construction heats evenly, so you're not dealing with hot spots or burning. Plus, cleanup is genuinely effortless since the pot is dishwasher safe. Here's the consideration though. At 3 cups uncooked capacity, larger families might find themselves cooking multiple batches for big meals. If you regularly feed 5 or more people, you'll want to look at the bigger models on this list. The value here is outstanding though. You're spending under $40 for a completely safe, durable rice cooker that'll last years. It comes in 3 colors, includes BPA-free accessories, and Aroma's reputation for reliability means you're making a smart long-term investment in your kitchen. Coming in strong at number 3 is the Elite Gourmet ERC006SS. And this budget-friendly powerhouse proves you don't need to spend big money for surgical-grade quality. You're getting a 304 stainless steel inner pot, the same grade used in medical equipment, at an incredibly accessible price point. The 6-cup cooked capacity hits that sweet spot for most households. What sets this apart is the coating-free construction throughout. Many competitors use stainless steel but still have non-stick coatings on heating elements or lids. Elite Gourmet keeps everything pure metal, giving you complete peace of mind. During my research, owners consistently praise the automatic keep warm function that maintains perfect rice temperature for hours without drying it out. The one-touch operation is genuinely foolproof. My favorite part is how versatile it is beyond rice. People use it for jambalaya, chili, stews, and even steamed vegetables using the included steaming tray. Here's what to consider though. The simple design means no fancy digital displays or preset programs. You're getting basic functionality, which is great for simplicity, but might feel limiting if you want specialized settings for different rice types or grains. But let's be real about the value proposition. You're paying typically under $35 for surgical-grade stainless steel construction. The dishwasher-safe pot makes cleanup a breeze, it comes with a measuring cup and spatula, and the compact footprint fits even tiny kitchens perfectly. At number 2, the Instant Pot Duo changes the entire game because you're not just getting a rice cooker, you're getting 7 appliances in one with a food-grade stainless steel cooking pot that's completely coating-free. The 18-8 stainless steel inner pot features a 3-ply bottom for incredibly even heat distribution. Available in multiple sizes from 3 to 10 quarts, there's an option for every household size. The pressure cooking function cooks rice up to 70% faster than traditional methods, which is perfect for busy weeknight dinners. What really separates this from dedicated rice cookers is the versatility. You've got 12 smart programs, including specific settings for white rice, brown rice, and multigrain. But beyond that, you're also getting a slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer all in one unit. The free app provides over 800 recipes specifically designed for the Instant Pot. Here's the honest consideration. There's definitely a learning curve if you've never used a pressure cooker before. Some users find the multiple functions initially overwhelming, and it takes up more counter space than a simple rice cooker. The pressure release process adds a few minutes to total cooking time. But the value is absolutely incredible. You're replacing 7 appliances with one. The stainless steel pot is completely dishwasher safe, and you've got 10 safety features, including overheat protection. For anyone wanting maximum versatility with 0 chemical coatings, this is unbeatable. Taking the top spot, the Yum Asia Sakura is the absolute pinnacle of non-Teflon rice cooking technology. This award-winning cooker earned Best Buy from The Independent in January 2025, and after diving deep into the features, I completely understand why. You're getting a 5-layer, 2mm thick ceramic-coated inner bowl that's completely BPA-free and PTFE-PFOA-free. But here's where it gets special. The advanced fuzzy logic technology uses 7 distinct cooking phases to produce absolutely perfect rice while retaining maximum nutrients, aroma, and texture. This isn't just heating water, it's sophisticated programming. The 8-cup capacity serves 1 to 8 people comfortably. You've got 6 dedicated rice cooking functions for different rice types, plus 6 multi-cooker modes, including porridge, slow cook, soup, cake, yogurt, and steam. The Korean Mo-Touch control panel features an extra-large, cool ice blue LED display that's genuinely beautiful and easy to read. Here's what to consider, though. At a higher price point than others on this list, usually around $150 to $200, it's definitely an investment. The advanced features mean there are more settings to learn, which might be overkill if you only make basic white rice. But you're getting what you pay for here. The ceramic bowl is naturally non-toxic and will never leach chemicals after years of use. The 24-hour timer and keep warm functions give you incredible flexibility. Users consistently report restaurant-quality rice at home, and the build quality means this cooker will last a decade or more. Those are my top 5 non-Teflon rice cookers that'll keep your family safe while delivering perfectly cooked rice every time. Remember, all product links are waiting in the description box below. Ready to make the switch to chemical-free cooking? Your healthiest meals start now.